Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today I'm going to share a simple two ingredient face mist that feels like a luxurious spa treatment in a bottle. This is a beautiful green tea and vanilla pod mist that instantly hydrates, refreshes tired skin, and leaves you with a beautiful glow. It is the perfect natural mist to soothe and revive your skin, and the smell is absolutely heavenly. The first ingredient we're using is a real vanilla pod, not a synthetic extract. Real vanilla is a wonderful protective ingredient for our skin. It is packed with powerful antioxidants, especially a compound called vanillin, which helps to neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from damage and premature aging. Vanilla also has wonderful anti inflammatory and antibacterial properties, so it's excellent for calming redness and soothing any irritation, making your skin feel soft and comfortable. Our second ingredient is green tea, a true skincare superstar. Green tea is loaded with potent antioxidants called catechins, particularly EGCG, which are famous for their ability to protect the skin from environmental stressors. Green tea also has amazing anti inflammatory properties. If you have any redness, puffiness, or skin irritation, green tea is one of the best ingredients to calm and soothe it. When you combine the soothing anti aging properties of real vanilla with the potent antioxidant protection of green tea, you get a truly special face mist. This isn't just a simple spray, it's a hydrating, protective, and calming treatment. It helps to tone the skin and leaves your face feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. It's a very simple but very effective remedy. Making this is very easy. First, take a small vanilla pod and break it into small pieces. Add the pieces to a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Let it steep for a few minutes to release all that beautiful fragrance and its benefits. Once it is steeped, add 2 teaspoons of green tea. As soon as you add the green tea, switch off the flame. We don't want to boil the green tea as this can destroy its delicate compounds. Let it cool down completely and then strain the liquid. Your beautiful face mist is now ready. This mist can be stored in a spray bottle at room temperature for up to 1 week. It's wonderful for all skin types because it hydrates the skin instantly. I love to carry a small bottle with me always. You can spray it on your face throughout the day for a quick pick me up, and it's fantastic for soothing any skin irritation. Here's another tip: you can also pour some of this mixture onto a thin cloth or a compressed sheet mask and apply it to your face. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be a wonderful treat for tired skin. Honestly, this felt like such a special treat for my skin, and the natural vanilla smell is just out of this world.